Hey guys, if you've ever tried to follow a recipe using measuring cups and ended up with a dry cake or a meal that just tasted off, you've realized that volume is the enemy of consistency. Whether you're tracking macros for keto, trying to hit weight loss goals, or just want to bake like a professional, the Etekcity Digital Kitchen Scale is the most affordable way to take the guesswork out of your kitchen and get perfect results every single time. The first thing you'll notice is the build quality. It features a sleek, 304 food-grade stainless steel platform that doesn't just look modern on your counter. It's incredibly easy to wipe clean after handling raw meat or messy flour. Unlike plastic scales that can stain or harbor odors, this one is durable and stays looking brand new. It's also thin enough to slide into a drawer or a narrow cabinet space, making it perfect for smaller kitchens. In terms of performance, the precision is exactly what you need for meal prep. It measures in increments of 1 gram or 0.1 ounces, so you can be incredibly accurate with everything from heavy chicken breasts to lightweight spices. The tare function is a total lifesaver. You can place any bowl or container on the scale, hit the button to zero it out, and then only weigh the food you add inside. This means fewer dishes to wash and much faster meal prep when you're weighing out multiple ingredients for a smoothie or a salad. The backlit LCD display is clear and easy to read, even if you're cooking in a dimly lit kitchen, and it stays on long enough for you to actually record your measurements. It also features a variety of units, grams, ounces, pounds, and milliliters, so you can switch between a baking recipe and tracking your water intake with one tap. It's a simple, reliable tool that removes the frustration of eyeballing your portions and gives you total control over your nutrition. If you're ready to stop guessing and start seeing real consistency in your cooking and your fitness progress, this scale is a must-have. Click the link below for the best price and to add this essential tool to your kitchen.